Good morning. This is a Savers thrift haul. I went and I forgot my bag, so I bought this one from them for $1.99. Now I just gotta remember to bring it back every time. It's actually a really nice size bag. I might have paid $2.99 for it, but let's see what I got. So I got this stuffed koala. Isn't that adorable? And it still has the original tag attached. And then I got baby Jack Jack from The Incredibles. And I got this little puffer fish. I'm probably gonna keep this for me. This is from, I think it said Ripley's, wasn't it from Ripley's Aquarium? Ripley's Aquarium, so yeah, I'm keeping that. And then I got this doodle bear. I don't know if these are popular anymore, but they were really popular for a while. So doodle bears, like you could write on them in washable marker. Your kids would write on them in washable marker, and you throw it in the wash, and then they could doodle all over again. So, and then I got this extremely creepy doll. She was only $3.99, and she's huge, and she's creepy, and she has like a mark on the back of the neck. So I think she's something. What does it say? America doll. So, and she's a big sized baby doll, like life-sized baby doll. And she was only $3.99. I've mentioned it before, like Savers has really raised their prices. So I used to get a lot of Build-A-Bears and resell them for a pretty good profit, but now all their Build-A-Bears are like $7.99 and $12.99. So it's kind of hard to get a profit with that. And then I got this Yoda backpack, and look at that. It's a pretty good size backpack. See, that was $7.99. I don't really like to pay that much, but Star Wars is pretty popular right now, so pretty sure I could get at least 20 out of that. And then I got a Chip from Chippendale plush. And then I got, this is a latch hook kit. Again, let's see, I think I paid $9.99, which is a bit out of, a bit more than I want to pay, but it's an original sealed. No one's ever opened it. It makes this bigger sized rug or this cushion for this music chair. So I don't know. There's not like, it's kind of hard to tell what the value is, because like latch hook kits on eBay are all over the place, but this is pretty unique. So hopefully I'll at least double my money. I am not gonna open this, but I totally remember doing latch hook kits as a kid. Latch hook kits as a kid. I loved doing latch hooks. If I ever found like a vintage, like a Rainbow Bright one or a Care Bear, I would totally keep it for myself. But I'm not a music person, so there's no reason to keep a violin themed one. And then my last item, I definitely paid too much for. I don't know. I just had this feeling about it. It is this huge cameo style box. It's heavy. It's probably at least 5 pounds. It's made out of some kind of stone. It's not, I don't think it's plastic. It's pretty heavy duty. And these are like pheasants, I think. Pheasants or peacocks. And it's huge. This is bigger than an average jewelry box. This is at least like, let's see, 14 by 10, I think. And when I bought this, like I just put it in my cart because I wasn't for sure. And there was this older antique dealer. He was watching me. He was waiting for me to put it down. And that kind of made me want to keep it even more, because I'm like, well, if he wanted it, then maybe it's worth something. But I'll be honest, I don't know if I'm going to sell it or keep it, because I used to collect vintage vanity items. And this is really pretty darn cool and unique. So I don't know. What do you think? Keep it or sell it? I just don't know. It's extremely heavy, so it would cost a lot to ship. But yeah, this is beautiful. And then I just wish they went in and taped it up. So I gotta be very careful when I remove the tape. You definitely have to be very careful when removing the tape, because sometimes from Savers, sometimes they tape stuff they shouldn't. I have definitely ruined a couple puzzles because they taped over areas they shouldn't. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I don't normally spend that much, but I just had a feeling. Hopefully my feeling pays off. And I'm definitely selling the creepy baby doll, because I don't collect creepy baby dolls. Look, the one eye. It's winking at you. It's winking at you. Well, it was. Does anyone ever watch that show, Paranormal Cotton Tape? Oh my god, I really got into that lately. That show is creepy as heck. Sorry if I caught something moving on like a door camera or something. I might be moving, like selling my house. Don't know what I could put up with if I saw something, some of these things they show on that show. So anyway, enough rambling. This is all I got. Not much, but I'm happy with my purchases, and we'll see what happens. And thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.